Hello and welcome. If you have tight hamstrings, then this short, gentle flow is for you. In just a few minutes, we will test it, unlock it, and teach our body that it's safe to keep the new range of motion. We will apply simple techniques like nerve gliding because sometimes the tension comes from our nerves, not the muscles. Unlocking our hips and lower back because sometimes our tight hips come from that limited range of motion in those places. And also we're going to apply PNF stretching where we are going to teach our bodies that it's safe to maintain the newfound range of motion. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. For today's practice, we're going to need a towel or a yoga strap if you have one. So just leave it to one side and let's begin our practice. Extend your legs in front of you. Maintain the back straight. Place the hands by the side of your body or maybe to your thighs and then gently close your eyes. And start to bring your attention to your breath. Inhale through the nose. And then exhale through the nose or mouth. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Gently open your eyes, interlace the fingers, make a fist, and start to rotate your wrists. Make small circles or bigger. Put your elbows to work and make the movement ampler if possible. Maybe take it to the shoulder. Just do anything that you find useful in this space here. Then extend your palms in front of you, extend your arms, reach your palms up, extend the entire back, and then release your arms and shake them. And now to the test. Keep your legs extended, and with the straight back, we were going to fold over our legs. So we're just folding over. Place the hands where it's natural, where they feel natural. Maybe on your knees, on your shin, or your ankles. And just notice that spot, yeah? You should feel tension in your hamstrings, your back should be straight, and just see how far along you can go and make a mental note of that place. This is our test. Good, now come up. Lie on your back and let's do the test to see where the tension comes from. Raise one leg up, catch the back of your thigh and bring it closer to your chest. Now you shouldn't force here, we're still in our warming up phase. And now without moving our leg, push the heel up, flex your ankle and bring the toes in the direction of your face. And just notice what this does to your hamstring stretch. If it is more intense, more sharp, then you might have nerve tightness here. If it feels about the same, then you have muscle tightness. Good, release the leg and let's do the other side as well. Bring the leg closer to your chest. And then flex the ankle, push the heel up, bring the toes in the direction of your face now and just notice that hamstring stretch. One more breath here. And then slowly release. Come back up, Cross your legs and let's come onto our all fours and straight into a plank position. We're going to warm up our legs further here, so just pedal the feet. So bring one knee to the mat and then come up and bring the other. Again, make this movement slower. Two more breaths here. And then slowly stop, push your hips up and back. Come into your first downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. And feel that stretch on the leg that is extended. Back is straight, head is relaxed. Maybe shake the head here. Yes, no, yes, no. And then from downward facing dog, slowly walk your feet towards your palms, in between your palms. Legs hip width apart, catch opposite elbows, bend the knees, tummy rest on your thighs. Just sway side to side, releasing any tension here. Slow and in control, come up vertebrae by vertebrae, rebuilding the spine. The head is the last to come up. And then let your arms by your side. Good. So the first exercise today is the nerve gliding. So if the tension arises from the nerves, this exercise is going to help you release that tightness and tension. Bend your knees, place the hands onto your thighs or on your knees. Gaze forward, and all we're going to do is extend one leg at a time and hold there. You should feel a stretch on the back of the extended leg, on the hamstring up to your calf here. And then come back to center and extend the other leg. Hold for a second and then come back to center. And let's do this for a few breaths. Slow and in control in your own rhythm and time. A couple of more breaths here. And then stop at the center. Open your legs wider a bit and let's sink down into our squat. So remember what we said at the beginning of the flow. We're going to approach our hamstrings from 3 different directions. First, we've addressed the nerves. Now we're addressing the hips and lower back, and we're doing that through a squat flow. So the first step of this flow is to lower into a deep squat. Then we're adding some rocking forwards and backwards. Now in the squat, if your heels don't touch the mat, that's okay. Just place something underneath your heels and gently rock a couple of times side to side. Then keep your palms on the mat, extend your legs up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come all the way up. This was 1. 2. Exhale down. Rock your hips forward and backwards a couple of times. Inhale, extend the legs up. Exhale down. Inhale, come all the way up. This was 2. Exhale down. Rock your hips. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, come all the way up. And we have 2 more. Exhale down. Continue breathing as you rock your hips. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, come all the way up. And 1 more. Exhale down. Rock your hips. Inhale up. Exhale down. And inhale, come all the way up. Good. Now lower back again into a deep squat and put your pelvis on the mat and extend your legs. And let's test it. Yeah, shake a bit your legs. They might be tensed here. And with the back straight, fold over your legs and see if the range of motion has improved. If it has, then your tension, your tightness in your hamstrings comes from nerves or from hips and back, or a combination of both. It can be the same. Just stay here for 1 more breath. And then slowly come up. And now we're going to increase that range of motion. So grab the towel or the strap. Lie on your back. Place the towel against your foot. Grab it, and on the next inhalation, press your foot towards your chest. And stay here for 2 breaths. And 1 more. Now we're adding a slight contraction. Contract the hamstring, push the heel up, toes come towards your face, flex the ankle here, maintain for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Now bring your leg closer, maybe. Increase the range of motion. Maintain for 3 breaths. Inhale for 1. 2. And 3. Now contract and push the heel into the strap. Toes come towards your face for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. How does that feel? We're doing 1 more. Inhale and bring the leg even further to your chest. Maintain for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Push the heel up, flex your ankle, maintain for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Remove the strap, bend the knee, hug it dearly, hug your leg toward the chest. And let's go and do the left leg. Extend the right, maybe shake it. It may be a bit shaky. You shouldn't feel any pain. And now for the left leg. Place the strap on the foot. Grab it. And on the next inhalation, Bring the leg closer to your chest and stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale for 1, 2, and 3. Push the heel up, contract the muscle, bring the toes towards your face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good. Now inhale, bring the leg even closer. Hold for 3 breaths. Now flex the ankle, push the heel up into the strap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. And the last one. Inhale, bring the leg closer to your chest. Inhale for 1, 2, and 3. Contract and push the heel up, toes towards your face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Now hug both knees to your chest. Hug them dearly as they've supported you through the practice today. And then slowly come up and let's do the test again. Extend the legs and then with the back straight, fold over your legs. And just see how much further you can do. So with the last exercise, what we've done is we've taught our body that it's safe to maintain that new range of motion through the gentle contractions that we've do. The PNF is a great technique to do this. And actually PNF is just a fancy way to say stretch and contract. And when you're ready, gently come up, cross your legs, and let's finish our practice here. Close your eyes and just notice how you feel, how your legs feel. I will choose to close my practice here, but if you want to do a deep Shavasana, you can try my 10 minutes deep rest Shavasana. If you've liked this practice, maybe you want to join me for others, so please comment what did you feel after this practice, and maybe I will do a flow tailored to your needs. Until next time, I wish you an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.